I'm gonna try these Madelines first, and then, oh yes, she made a little note. She wrote a note for me. She says, "Hey girl, happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Hope you enjoy them." Oh, so she made 3 red beans and 2 mung bean flavored ones. Okay, the 2 flower looking shapes are the mung bean ones. Wait, they all look like flowers. Oh no, I see them. The flowers. Okay. Yeah, I will show you right now. Wow, they look so good. I'm guessing there's some matcha flavor, and then there's some, this is matcha, and then there's, I forgot what this is. Probably the original flavor. And then, look at this. These are her handmade mooncakes. There are 2 different flavors. The flower ones are, what is it, mung bean, and then these ones with the Chinese character on it is, what is it? It's red bean. So I'm super excited to try these. I also got these ones from Tina yesterday, and they were super good. So these are going to be my afternoon snack. Yippee! So this is the mung bean, the red bean, and then the matcha Madelines, and then the original flavor. I don't know, I feel like I really want to try these Madelines first. So I'm going to try these guys first. Do you want some? Which one do you want to try? This one? Actually, let me go wash my hands. Actually, no, I washed my hands already. Just kidding. Which one do you want?
Matcha. It's honestly supposed to be a screen.
No.
We both enjoyed a good fight.
You like it, Isabella? Emily, Isabella likes these Madelines. Which one do you want to try, Dora? The green one or regular?
It's slightly lemon.
Also, maybe it's lemon flavor. I like this. Do we have a knife? Do we have like a knife down here? I want to cut this mooncake. No, we don't have one? I will go get one. I don't know if Midland will like this because it's not as sweet as the other ones, but I like it because I always think the store-bought ones are too sweet. But these are perfect for me. I know she worked so hard to make these, and there was a lot of technical difficulties before they came out, but they're so good. Hello, it's October 1st. We are finally at the last 3 months of the year, and I'm super excited because there's a lot of holidays, and then there's a lot of birthdays to celebrate, even though celebrating them will be a little different this year, but I'm still really looking forward to it. Yeah, especially now that My big test is over.
And I shiver like I used to. And I'll leave him just for you.
This is very
I'll
early.
shiver like I used to. Just for you.
Oh no, it's smoky. Oh no, it's smoky again. Isn't it pretty? Eight o'clock. You like my grandma glasses? I actually got these a couple months ago because I was watching so much Netflix and my eyes were starting to hurt, but I'm actually putting it into good use now because I'm always staring at the screen looking for data that I can't find. Yeah. Well, when I don't use the glasses, the screen is more white, but with it on, it's tinted, a yellow tint. So it's supposed to block out UV light, blue light. I don't know if it does that, but I think it has to do something, right? Can you hear this computer? It's about to explode. I'm trying to render something on this computer, and yeah, it's I hope it hangs in there. I'm taking a break now. I'm just gonna have some yogurt. This is the Wallaby organic plain yogurt. Since it's plain, I added a lot of chocolate and granola. Kind of looks meh, but it's good. It's good. I'm done. Put this guy here. I'll clean it up later. I'm gonna head out really quick, so I'm gonna smother on some sunblock. And then put on some pants, and I'll be ready to go. Okay, all right, ready to head out. Was that fast or was that fast? Yes, I know. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
So I only do this when I drive by myself. I don't want to scare anybody. But there's nothing better than doing something a little dangerous, right? All right. It's finally Friday night. Yeah, showered, washed my hair, and it smells like roses now because of the hair oil I just put in. Yes, I'm really looking forward to the weekend. I'm gonna go upstairs and have dinner with my family now. Haha.
Cool.
Cô cổ nó bồn xích hả?
Oh no. Yellow.
Oh, shucks.
Vậy thì thấy được.
Well, I don't have yellow. Darn. Change the color, dog.
Green.